Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a trick play in College Football 27. There isn't a separate trick plays menu in the game, so you won't find all of them listed in one place. First, go to the play calling screen during a game or in practice mode. Next, take a look at your team's offensive playbook. Trick plays are hidden inside specific formations and not every playbook includes them. Browse through formations such as Wildcat, Shotgun, Pistol, and Flexbone. These formations are where you'll usually find gadget plays and unique offensive options. As you scroll through the available plays, look for names like flea flicker, halfback pass, reverse pass, double pass, or jet reverse pass. If you don't see any trick plays in your current playbook, that's completely normal. Some teams simply don't have them available. The easiest way to get more trick plays is to switch to a different team's offensive playbook and check its formations. Certain playbooks include more wildcat and gadget style plays than others. That's all you need to do to find trick plays in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.